Good evening, YouTubers. I'm not an expert, and these are my flea market and garage sale finds for June 11th. First up is a pair of pliers, fine nose, and I cannot read that, but it says Swiss. They look pretty nice. The tip is a little bit bent, but I think I can straighten that out. I figure needle nose pliers, I'm always looking for them. Those were, I don't know, $1. Stanley bevel gauge. I don't have to show my plastic bevel gauge anymore. I have a nice Stanley one, number 18. A little rust on it, but it seems to be in pretty good condition. And another egg beater drill. This one's a little bit bigger than the other ones that I have, so I now have 4. I don't need 4, but I have 4, so that's the way it goes. And this one has a storage compartment in the handle for drill bits. Doesn't look like anyone ever put anything in there. It's nice and clean in there. Just needs a little oiling, maybe a little paint. And that's all the stuff I bought. It was a little slow day. I had to get a start early today, but I went over to my friend's house, and you may recall in one of my other flea market finds was a saw vise. And that saw vise, this is the bracket, big C-clamp. It was broken, so I took it over to my buddy's house, and he brazed it for me. So got a little work to do, a little cleaning up, but yeah, put it back to hopefully working order. We'll see how strong it is. It's kind of neat. Anyway, that's all I found this week. So hope you guys are having fun. We'll catch you later.